my name is Allison. I'm the Programs Outreach and Youth Services Manager here at Monterey County Free Libraries. Thank you for joining me today for another episode of Make It Monday. Today we're going to do a really fun project. We are going to make pop-up penguin puppets. So for this project you are going to need a couple of things. You are going to need 2 paper plates. You are going to need a jumbo craft stick or popsicle stick. You will also need a little bit of orange scratch paper, some googly eyes if you have them, and then of course our staples, a pen or pencil, scissors, glue, and tape. You will also need some colored pencils, crayons, or markers, or paint, whatever you want to use to color in your penguin. Go ahead and gather up your materials, meet me back here, and we'll get started. To get started, we are going to take one of our paper plates and we are going to do a little cutout on this plate. So I'm going to grab a pencil so I can do an outline for my cutout. And what you're going to cut out is, you're going to draw on it kind of an oval-y shape like this. So an oval like that, like half an oval. I guess that's not really an oval, but kind of a semicircle with legs, if you will, and you are going to cut that out. Then you'll cut this bottom part where the edge of the paper plate is, where it's kind of textured and frilly. You'll cut that off as well. So we're left with this kind of shape, and that is going to be our penguin's body. Next, we are going to make our penguin's face. So you can make your penguin any color that you want. I am all for multicolored penguins. I'm going to make mine black with a white face, and I'm going to draw a little face outline. I'm going to draw kind of a heart shape to put his face in, and then I'm going to color the rest of this black. So feel free to decorate your penguin however you want. Go ahead and design it and meet back here for the next step. Okay, so I've done my penguin's body and the outline of his face. Now what I am going to do is I'm going to use my sticker eyes to make his eyes. You can design your own eyes, or if you have googly eyes, you can use those instead. Whatever you want to use for eyes is fine with me. I'm going to use these little stickers, give him a little expression. And then I am going to use a little bit of my scratch orange paper to make his little beak. So I'm just going to cut off this corner here to make a triangle. Maybe slim that down a little bit. And I have a nice little beak for him. So I will go ahead and glue that on. Now you'll just take one of the craft sticks, you'll flip your penguin over, and you will tape the craft stick to the other side. If you have hot glue at home, you can use hot glue with the help of an adult. I don't have any, and regular glue won't stick, so I'm going to use some tape. And there we have our little penguin puppet. Now let's go ahead and make his egg. We're going to take our second paper plate, and this is going to be our egg. So you can take a marker, a crayon, whatever, pencil, whatever you're using, and we want our eggs to be cracked open. So you're going to just make a little zigzaggy line about 1/3 of the way down your plate, and then we are going to cut that out. So we have what looks like a little broken eggshell. There's our egg. You can make it as zigzaggy as you like. You're not going to get rid of this piece. We're going to create a little pocket for our penguins to sit in. So you'll decide which side you want to be the front side. I'm going to have it so that the caved inside is part of the little pocket. So I'll flip it over so that the side I want as the front is facing the table. Then I'm going to take the leftover part and put it like this so that it looks like I kind of folded the plate in half. And if you have a stapler at home, you can staple it together. I am missing my stapler today, so I'm going to use a little bit of tape on either side to hold these two together, and that's going to create a little pocket, as I said, for our penguin to sit in. So after you're done, you should have something like this. It looks like a little pita pocket, and you will stick your penguin inside And you can add a little bit more tape or more staples to make it more of a pocket for your penguin. I'm gonna add in 2 more pieces of tape. Make it a little bit more secure so that my penguin doesn't go away. And voila, hiding. Hello. Hello. Hi everyone. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. That is how you make a little pop-up penguin puppet. I hope that you enjoyed making this craft just in time for winter. If you did this craft today or any of our other Make It Monday projects, we'd love to see pictures, so please leave us a picture in the comments below or tag us at @e_MCFL. We love to see pictures of finished products and variations of our craft ideas. I hope that you enjoy playing with your penguin pop-up. And if you want to learn more about penguins, check out a penguin book from your local MCFL library branch or visit our online catalog on our website, www.emcfl.org, to put a penguin book on hold. Until next week, have fun with your penguins, everybody. Bye-bye.